In this video, let's see how to create and manage a web pop-up. Click on the More option in the navigation bar to expand additional menu items. Select Web Pop-ups from the expanded More menu. Click on the Create New Pop-up button in the top right corner to start creating a new web pop-up. Enter a name for the new pop-up in the name field of the modal. Type a description for the new pop-up in the description field of the modal. Click the Next button in the pop-up modal to proceed to the next step. Enter the heading text for the pop-up content in the provided field. Type in the subtext for the pop-up heading in the designated area. Select the desired fields for the pop-up form by clicking on the drop-down menu. Check the box next to first name to include it as a field in the pop-up form. Click on the last name checkbox to include it in the form fields. Click on the last name checkbox again to deselect it from the form fields. Enter your desired text for the Submit button in the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next step of the pop-up configuration. Click on the Submit button to save your pop-up style settings. Click on the Copy icon to copy the embedded link to clipboard. Click on the Edit icon to modify the web pop-up. Enter the name for the web pop-up in the name field in the modal. Click on the Next button to proceed to the next step of editing the web pop-up. Click the Next button on the pop-up content modal to proceed to the next step. Click the Update button on the pop-up styles modal to save the changes. Click the trash bin icon to initiate the deletion of a pop-up. Confirm the deletion by clicking the Delete button on the confirmation modal.